CM Punk likes to hang his hat on the fact that he beat John Cena at this very event with the title on the line last year.
Yeah, but this is a completely different atmosphere here tonight with Big Show involved.
For many, Big Show is the favorite here tonight under triple threat rules, where the first man to gain a pinfall or submission will be the champion.
Remember, there are no countouts in this contest. This match could end up anywhere. Here we go, outside of the ring, and there are no countouts in this match. Uh-oh, there's a chair. Oh man, a shot like that could drop anybody. But that time, it knocked down Big Show.
It all began for CM Punk last year at Survivor Series when he defeated Alberto Del Rio to become WWE Champion.
And here we are 9 months later, and Punk is still the champion. The only thing that's changed has been his attitude, which I don't particularly care for now. Boy, did he get dropped or what? What are you? Oh gosh! He got away with that one.
And it looks like we could be heading back into the ring.
Oh, and did you hear the impact?
You oftentimes see... some unlikely alliances form in triple threat matches.
Well, I think John Cena and CM Punk will undoubtedly have to join forces in order to topple the giant Big Show.
Well, given the game of one-upsmanship John Cena and CM Punk played with each other last week on Raw, I'd be surprised to see a strong union here. Whoa, Cole, did you know that on this date back in 2001, The Rock defeated Booker T to claim the WCW Championship?
And in January, the Great One will have an opportunity to regain the WWE title when he battles whoever the champion will be at the Royal Rumble. CM Punk says he let people disrespect him in the past, but claims he won't allow it anymore.
Yeah, he even came out here a couple of weeks ago and got in my face. I didn't mean to show any disrespect for CM Punk. He's the WWE Champion. You have to respect the championship.
Another superstar that commands respect, John Cena. Whether you love him or hate him, you have to... his tireless work ethic and success in the ring. And he dodges that one.
And you can hear the fans willing him onward. Ow! Ooh. You hear how his leg connected? Oh, reversal! Oh. You know, there are times when I question AJ Lee's sanity. But making this triple threat match was a stroke of genius.
I got to agree, King. AJ Lee, who became Raw General Manager at the historic 1000th episode of Raw, has really gained credibility by making this match here tonight.
Yeah, but and then she loses some of that credibility when you think about what else she did at Raw 1000. She left Daniel Bryan at the altar.
Big Show is no stranger to triple threat matches, and in fact, he won his first double...
Oh, look at this. CM Punk. Oh, he's
man.
Caught. He's caught.
And with one arm.
Oh. Oh, man. Punk sent over the top rope and out on the floor, and now the Big Show is going after John Cena.
King, I cannot get over how dominant the Big Show has been here tonight.
Just literally manhandling everyone in sight. No, oh, a big head cut. Cena is down. Big Show just doing... Whoa! Caught again! Oh, man!
Punk came through the ropes and Big Show caught him.
Is there no stopping this giant?
He's not exactly hopping up to his feet here.
Whoa, what do you expect, Michael? Did you see what just happened? Uh-oh. What's this? Big Show is in all kinds of trouble. You know, CM Punk has been so concerned about respect as of late. But judging from the response he's been getting from the WWE Universe, I really don't think there's any lack of respect.
Oh, look at this.
Big Show still just so strong, but hey, Cena off the top rope.
Ah! Leg drop to the back of the neck. Big Show's down. Can Cena and Punk take advantage?
That'll slow the Big Show down, and hey, look at this.
Oh my God! The Anaconda device, and now look at Cena! Cena with the STF!
Two submission holds locked on Big Show at the same time, and he's tapping!
Big Show's tapping out! But who wins?
Well, Well, Big Show has obviously lost, but to who? Tap, tap, tap.
There's no way, King, that you can figure out which submission hold made Big Show tap out.
Well, I'm trying to talk. Cena thinks he's won this. I heard a bell.
So does Punk.
Hey, here's what happened. I heard a bell.
Oh, there's our general manager, AJ.
Maybe she can straighten this mess out. If it's possible.
A critical decision here for the general manager.
Whose side will she take? I heard a bell. No, I just want he tapped out. I heard him in the clutch. He tapped out. Do the right thing. I think there is a right thing. I heard a bell. I know you two got something going on. Listen to them! Listen to them! Let them decide! Let them decide! You want to have them tweet about it? Let them decide! Listen to them!
Restart the match.
What?
Whoa! Great decision.
Is it a great decision? Oh! It is as far as Big Show's concerned!
Oh! Double choke slam. The cover on Cena.
He got him.
And he kicks out.
Oh my goodness! I thought Big Show had him. Big Show's had time to recuperate. This changes everything. Just look at this. You can see the results from that move. He's got him up. Last Monday night on Raw, CM Punk actually offered his hand to John Cena, but Cena refused to shake it.
Afterwards, CM Punk called it the ultimate sign of
His
distance.
shoulders are down. One. Kick out at two. That was a near fall there. Oh! CM Punk is so well versed in not only striking with his hands, but his feet too.
Oh, that's devastating. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Oh, Cole, look at that. Now that's how you hurt an opponent. Oh, wow! CM Punk's as much attitude as he is talent, and both of those are extreme.
Oh, CM Punk using those versatile feet.
Are you kidding me? Look! Look out! That's it. He's done.
One number that is very telling here tonight is 293. That is the number of days since John Cena has been WWE Champion.
Well, if he doesn't...
GTS, go to sleep. The put knee.
Good God! Is he pressing a secret button to move that fast? I mean, those kicks won't give you a good feeling. I can promise you that. He needs to dig way down deep if he wants to keep going now.
And will this be it? And he gets out of the way.
Watch out! He whiffed that one. I don't know what's going to happen here.
Wow, Big Show just timed that perfectly. Big Show is one of only 3 men to hold every active male championship in the WWE right now.
And he vows he will be the next WWE champion.
And given his size and strength advantage, it's hard to argue with the world's largest athlete. Look at his fists. They're the size of footballs.
Oh, my gosh.
Oh, man, is he fired up.
Oh, wait, nice reversal. Oh, and the reversal by John.
He thinks he has it.
He's going for the pin. This could be it.
Looks like we're going back inside. Punk looking for something big.
Oh, my gosh. This guy's just getting worn out.
A swift kick. And he gets back in.
Boy, he is really tired now. That tank of his has to be reading empty.
It has to be, King. But I still don't see him giving up. Oh, launched back into the ring. What kind of devastation will we see now?
I don't know, but I think we're about to find out.
And there's the reversal from CM Punk.
And he's heading back in.
Here we go with John Cena.
And he tosses his opponent to the ground.
Back and forth. How do these superstars keep doing it?
And this is going to return to the ring. Now back to the ring. And the knuckles connect.
You know, John Cena's no slouch when it comes to his ground game.
And I think he's begging him to bring it. Look out! And Cena looking to put him away right here.
Back into the ring now.
And there's the reversal.
I don't know how much longer he's going to be able to go.
He's begging for it.
Uh-oh.
Trying to put him away.
Oh, big show. Big show.
Will it be? 1, 2. And he breaks up the pinfall. And an early kick out.
This is a grueling championship match. Nobody wants to lose this opportunity.
Knee to the skull. The GTS connects. There's the Bulldog. Can he score the pin? 2, 3.
Cole, I got a question. Did CM Punk do what he set out to do? Did he teach everybody about respect here tonight?
Well, I can't speak for the WWE Universe, but I don't think he earned the respect of John Cena. Though he did do the most important thing. He retained the WWE title.